Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to do this awesome marble art design for your nails. First, you start by painting your nails white. You should do as many layers as necessary to get the perfect result. Then you take a bowl of water or a jar and drop some nail polish into it. Take any color you like. For the marble art design, it would be best to use black, gray or gold. To get the marble effect, you use deodorant or hairspray. And then you can dip your nail into the water. Be sure to remove all the excess nail polish on your finger. And then you can repeat the progress with every other finger. You should know that every nail polish brand will react differently. So there we have it, a perfect marble design. You could do it with every color you like and every nail polish you like. Thank you for watching and thanks for sticking around. Bye!